Welcome back, it's Pyro Man, and today we got another banger. So today we're going to be reviewing tiny 200 gram cakes to big 200 gram cakes, small rockets to medium rockets, small canisters to big canisters, small 500 gram to bigger 500 gram. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting down here we have Beyond Stars. Smaller than my hand, 200 gram cake. There's no description on this at all. It's actually sold in an assortment, I think an 8-pack or something, I believe. So not much to be said about these other than you gotta light them off. They're by Oh My God Fireworks. It's a 9-shot. So yeah, about the smallest things I had. I figured I could show it, and it'd be the start to our show. A little bit bigger. Also, in an assortment pack of 4, we have Love, a 9-shot. And the performance on this is Time Rain with Golden Tails. It says 200 gram, 4 out of 5 stars. And that's about it. This is by Fisherman Fireworks. So I know they make pretty good fireworks. We'll see. Now, another Fisherman's Fireworks. Rubber stuff. Another Fisherman's Firework we have. It's called Cinemate? Cinemate? How do you guys pronounce that? Let me know in the comments. This right here is another 16-shot. Looking for a description. I do not see one on this either, so we're gonna find out when we light it off. Oh, it's right here. Sorry. It says red pearls, green pearls with blue pearls. Sorry, that's tiny writing. I could barely see that. Alright, now for some little rockets. If you guys know bottle rockets, you guys know these Wild Geese. Cluster Bees. And assortment rockets. All by Top Gun Fireworks. So nothing big, just something to have fun with, something to play with. I like rockets. They're actually my favorite thing. Now, some nice rockets, regular rockets we have. Smiling from Ear to Ear. These are 1.5-inch ball shells. I actually never fired these before, so we're gonna find out what they do together. And then, what I thought was interesting. Oh, these are also by World Class Fireworks. But what I'm more interested in is Wanda Fireworks Ghost Star. I've never seen this before, so I'm very interested to see what these will do. Get a nice up close to that. We're gonna fire these off next to the Smiling from Ear to Ear and see which ones I like better. But yeah, that's it for that. They come in a pack of 5. Like I said, Wanda Fireworks. Now, if you guys have been watching, you've been seeing me light off these cutting edge fireworks. Not this one in particular, but the other ones you can get in this assortment. It is a Nunchuck 16-shot by Cutting Edge Fireworks. And what I can say, the other ones out of this assortment have been really, really good. So, eager to try this one out and compare it to the rest. Actually, compare it to the 500 grams, to be honest. But, yeah. Red Palm with red wave with white glitter, green wave with crackling red, white crackling. So, sounds pretty nice, pretty cool. We'll find out. Now, that's it for the 200 grams and the rockets. Let's check out some shells. I bet not a lot of you guys have seen these. Well, Who am I to say that? This is Ammo Crate's 1.2-inch canister shells. Mini canister shells. 1.2 inches. These things are cool. Seen them, had to get them. This is the box they come in. No display on there, it just says Ammo Crate 1.2 Professional Canister Shells by Top Gun Fireworks. So we're gonna see what these bad boys do. Very eager, cause like you don't see those size canister shells often, so we're gonna see if they're yay or nay. But these canister shells that I came across and I'm very eager to try are Screaming Hawks, and these are made by Top Gun Fireworks. But look at this display. They're hyping these up to be pretty good, pretty good. These are 4-inch canister shells. It doesn't say on the box, but these are 4-inch canister shells. Loud boom. We're gonna find out. I have some, oh my god, 5-inch we can compare it to, so that's gonna be really cool. What I want to do, I want to open one of these and compare it to the 1.2 inch. See, a lot of this stuff I've never opened before, so it's an honest review that we get to do together. Alright. Yep, that's not what I like. Screaming Hawks 4-inch canister shell. Look at the difference on those. Look at the difference on these two fireworks. One's a 1.2 inch and the other is a 4-inch canister shell. Both these are by Top Gun Fireworks. I shoot 4 inches all day long, so we're gonna find out. But this 1.2 I've never seen before. We're gonna compare these. It's pretty obvious what we think is gonna be better, but I'll let you guys decide. Now, moving forward, we'll just set that aside right there for the first 500 gram cake. Sunwing Fireworks Redneck Mother. This is a 9-shot, our first 500 grams to light off tonight. Redneck Mother. I heard these boom pretty good. Let's see, the performance is red glittering willow tails blast red strobe with Thai silver cherry. Red glitter willow tail blast with green strobe with Thai silver cherry. So that's going to be very nice. So start off the 500 grams. Now, we have Never Say Die 500 gram cake. This is a 33 shot. Look at that. By Miracle Fireworks Performance. One loud 350 gram cake. Brocade willow with colorful tips. Time rain. Mine up to time rain. Wait. Look at this, guys. Maximum 500 grams. Performance. One loud 350 gram cake. What the fuck is this? I thought I bought a 500 gram cake. Is it a 350 gram cake? Is this a 350 gram cake? I don't know. Guess we'll find out. But we'll light it up tonight and see. Display looks nice, so we'll see. Now, for the biggest 500 gram cake of the night. Watermelon Moonshine. If you guys have seen this, you know it's a good one. Performance, 7 shots. Huge breaks of watermelon red and glittering silver. It's sure to be and Intoxicating Mix by Maddox Fireworks. So, can't wait to light this up. This is my first time seeing a couple videos. High expectations. But that's it for the lineup. Now really all we gotta do is go light all these suckers off. We're all set up beyond stars. Two of them beyond stars. It knocked over that. 16 shot. Fisherman Fireworks. Oh, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Hey, it's not past time yet. Next up we have Love 9 shot. Too shabby. I think that was the last small 200-gram cake. You want to try them rockets now, Zach?
Yeah, go for it.
Let's do it. Ghost Star versus Smiling Ear to Ear. Nice. Same effect, just different design. Let's make some noise. Screaming Hawk 4-inch. Wow. Listen to the rumble on that. There was one. Oh, that made my ears ring. Yo! That made my fucking ears ring. Where's the other one? Oh, they're the real deal. 4-inch Screaming Hawk. Very nice. Let's light up the rest of them. 1.2-inch Top Gun firework. There we go. Oh wow. Alright, that was 1.2, but let's try a 4 and a 5. Perfect. Oh my god, 5-inch. I think I like the Screaming Hawks better though. Here, Nick, light off this 16 shot nunchucks. Nice little 200 gram to end it off. Now for the first 500 gram of the night. Redneck Mother by Sunwing Fireworks. 9-shot redneck mother. First 500 gram. Holy shit. That's some noise. There we go. Never say die, 33 shot. Happy birthday, Zachary! Everybody leave it in the comments. Alright, let's hit the last one. Watermelon moonshine. That was nice. Okay. Last one of the night. Cake wise. And the biggest. Watermelon moonshine. Nice timing on these. Alright guys, that's the end of our video, and catch you in another one.